Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to add a zipper to your tote bag without sewing, so let's get started. You'll need your tote bag of choice, a zipper, speed sew fabric glue, scissors, a ruler, pins, and a pen that is visible on your zipper. Start by placing your tote bag on a flat surface. Lay your zipper out along your bag and grab your ruler. Measure 2 inches along your zipper from the end of your bag and cut the excess zipper off. Grab your speed sew and a Q-tip and place some glue on the end of the zipper to prevent it from running off the track. And let that dry until the glue is no longer white. On the other end of the zipper, cut off the excess material and use a lighter to seal the edges to prevent them from fraying. And of course, when doing this, ensure you are taking necessary precautions to prevent a fire. Now turn your zipper teeth facing down and line up the end of the zipper to the inside bottom edge of the seam and pin it in place. Continue to pin that one side down. And once that's done, close your zipper and grab your marker or chalk and mark where the straps are. Now open up your zipper and align the strap marks with the straps on the other side and pin the zipper in place. Once the zipper is completely pinned down, there should only be a small space in between the two ends, and the other end of the zipper shouldn't be twisted. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for a precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Start by taking half the pins out on one side of the zipper and apply an even layer of glue to the tote bag and zipper, avoiding getting the glue too close to the zipper teeth. Once that is done, apply even pressure to where you glued and gently repin the zipper down. Then repeat that on the second half of the first zipper and then on the other side. Let the glue dry for at least an hour, then you can remove all the pins, and just like that you added a zipper to your tote bag.